Abdullah Kneader 3.5 kg, latest model AE390. This is the machine. This is the timer. This is the high top model. We will show you how to fix the steel tab and the top lid. Lagao. The marking should go in this latch, and then you have to press down the steel tab for safe fixing. Now the blade is being fitted. Blade is fitted, and then the top lid is fitted like this. This is the latch which goes in its place. We will now start the machine and show you it's working. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. There you can see timer has come to the off position. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. You can order these Abdullah dough kneaders from us, Orion Engineering Company, Karachi. We have our Facebook page and our YouTube channel.